Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? Sorry, I supposed to watch a movie Topak but time didn't permit me at all. That's why I'm gonna give my reviews for this movie that I've seen just this December 25, 2024. I haven't got my remarks for this because I had my first interview with the movie covers and same with Anton. Guys and guys, hold on. See the other standee poster for this one, okay? Before I proceed on my remarks, I just want to thank the Lord for all the blessings that He gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fe Abordo, and to all my first viewers who never get tired on my masterpieces. Thank you so much, every one of you. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi. And to all my 13 lovely countries, they are the Philippines, United States, South Korea, Mexico, India, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Russia, Italy, United Kingdom. Hold on, guys. So tiring. Hold on. United Kingdom. Did I say Indonesia, Russia? Okay. Anyway. Brazil, Canada, and Germany. Hi. Guys, you know what? I really love this film because it's some kind of different from what he did from the previous years. Although I haven't seen all of his movies, but as far as I know, Vice ganda lots of comedic skits all throughout his movie. Let's say 90% and less dramas. And should I introduce you guys and girls? MC Moi and Lassie, Gladys Reyes, Eugene Domingo, and to introducing kids, Maurice Racal and Anthony Jennings, Jong Hilario, and Kulot Kaponpon introducing Malu de Guzman and Kokoy de Santos. See that? You know what, guys and girls? This movie is a fast-paced, fun-filled, lots of moral lessons, values, and very entertaining. Fast-paced. Did I say fast-paced? Lots of sorry. Oh gosh, why is it? Sorry. I had a mental block. Oh, I'm having a mental block. Fast-paced. Guys, I'm so sorry.